Soto Lamongan.
Soto Lamongan.
Soto Lamongan.
Yes.
Soto Lamongan.
3, 2, 1.
I'm actually pretty hungry.
It reminds me of my grandmother's soup. That's rice. Yeah, just the rice are different.
This has just got a lot more flavour. More textures in it as well. Yeah, I haven't had a soup like this before.
Teman-teman, jangan lupa subscribe David Alan TV dan tekan tanda lonceng ya untuk mensupport channel ini semakin berkembang.
Selamat kembali di channel YouTube saya David Alan TV. Sore hari ini memperkenalkan makanan khas Indonesia yang kayaknya semua orang Indonesia tahu. Soto adalah salah satu makanan kita sehari-hari. Dan kali ini spesial soto asli Lamongan. Dan kita ketemu sama Mbak, siapa namanya Mbak? Mbak Nurul. Mbak Nurul ini adalah yang punya warung, apa namanya ini?
Cakun.
Warung Cakun. Cakun itu siapa Mbak?
Suami saya.
Oh, suaminya. Suaminya mana sekarang?
Suaminya lagi di rumah.
Oh ya, lagi atur shift berikutnya ya. Jadi ngomong-ngomong, kenapa saya pilih warung ini? Soalnya tadi saya searching Mbak di GoFood ya. Yang keluar pertama dan paling enak bintang 5 katanya soto ayam Cakun ini. Rahasianya apa Mbak?
Mungkin bumbu-bumbunya beda dari yang lain. Kita meskipun bahan bakunya mahal, tapi kita masih tetap mempertahankan sebaik mungkin gitu. Kita tidak mengurangi apa-apa rasa atau porsinya tidak.
Waduh, mantap. Mbak, ini aslinya dari Lamongan ya?
Iya, dari Lamongan.
Oke, warungnya udah berapa lama Mbak?
3 tahun ini.
Udah 3 tahun ini ya? Dan kayaknya rame banget ya di GoFood kayak gitu ya? Banyak banget yang pesan ya?
Iya, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, jadi cukup lah untuk mewakili rasa khas soto Lamongan. Jadi Mbak, saya kan YouTuber kuliner yang memperkenalkan makanan Indonesia ke orang asing ya. Kira-kira kalau orang asing nyobain soto ayam Lamongan ini, mereka suka nggak ya Mbak?
Ya, kayaknya suka sih.
Suka. Pernah ada nggak bule-bule orang asing yang makan di sini?
Banyak sih. Biasanya dia pesan di GoFood, langsung sini langsung katanya.
Oke, kita coba dulu ya Mbak ya. Katanya paling enak di GoFood dan juga GrabFood ya Mbak ya?
Iya, Shopee juga.
Shopee juga. Ini saya cobain. Ya, saya kasih koyanya. Wah, mantap. Buat teman-teman semuanya. Saya makan dulu ya Mbak ya. Bisa lihat muka saya, muka jujur ini Mbak ya. Mantap banget. Ya udah kalau gitu, kita ke pantai sekarang juga dan bawain soto ayam Lamongan ini ke orang asing, semoga mereka suka ya. Boom baby, let's go. Hello, what's your name?
Hey,
I'm Diana.
Diana, and you from?
I'm from Paris, France.
Paris, France.
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you. Comment allez-vous?
Oh,
Très
very
bien, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. And you?
I'm Antoine.
Sorry?
Antoine.
Antoina.
No, not bad,
Also
not bad.
from France.
Yeah, from Paris as well.
Antoina. Okay, I know it's difficult to write.
Yeah.
So this is, we call this Soto Lamongan. Can you say that?
Soto Lamongan.
Yes, Soto Lamongan.
Soto Lamongan.
Yes.
Soto Lamongan.
Soto Lamongan. Soto is chicken soup. Lamongan is the name of the city in East Java.
Okay.
Okay. So can you mix first before trying?
Yeah, sure, it looks very
Yes.
nice.
Okay, let's try.
You start?
Yes.
On y
1,
va,
2, and
pas?
go. Yeah.
Ok. Pas.
Ada jauh.
It's a lot of curry.
Yeah,
I mean, chicken with curry, right?
chicken like curry. Yeah, chicken
That's
curry.
good. That's
Okay.
perfect.
So it's familiar for you, yeah?
It's very
Yeah,
technical.
it's quite familiar,
Not
but
something
it's good.
strange, yeah?
It's very, yeah. It's in France we have a lot of vegetables and
Yes,
soup, and,
yeah.
but it's really nice. It's a
Yeah.
bit more fresh than
Yes,
French.
yes. You know,
C'est délicieux.
you
we
can
say.
see many vegetable in it, yeah?
Soto Lamongan.
Soto Lamongan.
Soto Lamongan.
yeah?
I will
Yeah.
remember this
Okay,
one.
so maybe you can just say one word soto, everyone know. But
Soto?
there is many kind of soto, but Lamongan is one of the popular one.
Okay.
Okay.
Lamongan is the name of the city, yeah? Right.
Yeah.
Okay, I
Okay.
see.
So do you have it? Is it from one place? Like each place has a different soto?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Each place have different soto. So you know, Indonesia is large, right?
Yes.
From the
Yeah.
west to the east, north to the south. Many islands, and in every island they have their own soto.
Okay.
Like soto
Wow.
Makassar, soto Betawi,
Okay.
something like that.
So we have a lot more to test.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. One name, but different
One
taste.
name different.
Different taste.
How do you say it's very good?
In Indonesian.
In Indonesia.
How do you
How
say it's very good?
Very good.
Very good. Enak sekali.
Enak sekali.
Yes.
Enak Sekali.
Good. Okay, can you give me rate from 1 to 10?
It's 8 because
Okay.
it's everything that I love. I'm a big chicken fan. I'm a big soup fan.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say 7.
7.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But actually, over 5, it's very good. you know?
Okay. Yeah. You offer 5 is
Yeah,
very
yeah,
good.
it's 7 because like there are some dishes that are very excellent.
Yes,
and,
yes,
but
yes.
7 is a very good grade for
Okay.
me.
By the way, how long you been in Bali?
We've been here
2
for
days.
2 days.
2 days, so just
yeah, we just
So
arrived.
is this your first time to Bali?
Yeah.
Wow. And have you tried Indonesian food before?
Yeah.
What?
I don't remember the names.
It's very hard to remember the name.
Nasi
Is
goreng?
it Nasi goreng?
Nasi
Yeah,
goreng.
with
The rice with the
Yeah.
different,
Fried
different
rice.
spices.
Fried rice.
Yeah.
How
We
do you know
try-
nasi goreng?
How-
Because people suggest you try nasi goreng?
Because every time we went to a place and we didn't know what to order, people were like Nasi goreng, and we're like, okay, yeah.
okay. Okay.
Very sure.
Okay.
And we also tried rabbits.
Huh?
Rabbits and
Rabbit
snail.
food.
Rabbit?
Rabbit,
Rabbit.
like the
Oh, yeah, rabbit? Oh,
Yeah.
Rabbit satay? Or something like that?
Yeah. And snail.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
You like
we're
something like...
very adventurous.
Oh, yeah. So you are adventurous about food,
yeah,
yeah?
we're very adventurous.
Wow.
So-
Nice. Your
Yeah?
last bite, yeah.
Okay.
It's good to eat kind of chicken soup in this weather, right?
Yes, actually it's good.
Yes.
Yeah.
In
Yeah.
any weather, I think it's
Any
good.
weather, yeah.
Hopefully before the rain.
Yeah.
It's very nice idea. Thanks for making us discover.
Okay,
Very
thank you
nice.
very much for trying Indonesian food and say bye-bye to my audience. Bye. Hey, what's your name?
Lucy,
You're from
England.
England. Nice to meet you, Lucy.
Hi.
And you, hello, what's your name?
Ruth.
Ruth, and
From England.
from England as
Yeah,
well.
okay.
So it's called Soto Lamongan. Can you say that?
Soto Lamongan.
Yes, Soto Lamongan.
Soto Lamongan.
Yes.
Lamongan.
Soto is chicken soup, and Lamongan is the name of the city in East Java. Have you
Okay.
heard about East Java? Java?
Yeah.
Have you been there?
Not yet. I'm going on Wednesday.
Wednesday, Ijen.
Ijen and
Ijen.
Mount Bromo.
Okay, I know. Ijen and Mount Bromo.
Yeah,
Okay, so it's near from there. So please try Soto Lamongan. Come on, guys.
You go first. Alright.
Okay, sorry. By the way, before try,
Yeah.
I will give you something like this. We call this koya. Koya is
Koya.
prawn crackers.
Yeah.
And it's okay with this?
Yeah.
Delicious. How about spicy?
Oh yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
Is that enough? Yeah. That'll do. I'll just get some rice for now. You gotta make ready. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's really nice. It's nice. Very good.
Oh, yeah.
Very good. Yeah. Look, I got some chicken.
Have you eaten your lunch today?
No.
Not yet?
This is just what we needed.
Okay, this is your lunch. Late lunch.
Thank you.
Okay.
Very nice.
Your description. Are you familiar with this kind of dish?
I had the one with the noodles and the chicken meatballs.
The same taste
Good.
like this?
Similar.
Similar?
Yeah, but not exactly the same.
Okay, noodles, yeah?
Yeah, it was noodles and then balls of chicken.
And how about you?
I don't think I've had anything like this before. I think it's I'm not used to the spice flavour. I think it's really nice actually.
Yeah, it's nice.
We don't really use spices very well.
Yeah.
Very
But
nice.
it's not so spicy, right?
No,
Yeah.
not too spicy.
Okay.
Very nice.
Okay, by the way, you know, chicken
you.
soup is one of popular dish in Indonesia. We call it soto. And every area, every island, they have their own
Yeah.
soto.
Okay.
Soto.
Okay.
Yeah, soto is like, yeah, chicken soup. But this is from Lamongan. Lamongan, the name of the city, is so popular in Indonesia.
Lamongan.
Yes.
And that's in
East
East
Java.
Java.
Yeah, East Java.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll look for this when I go. What's this called in
Soto Lamongan.
Soto Lamongan?
Yes. Okay. Can you give
Okay.
me a rate from 1 to 10?
For out of Indonesian food, I would say a solid 8.
Solid 8.
Yeah.
Wow, thank you.
8.5.
8.5.
Oh.
Wow. Thank you very much. Combined with the bintang beer is perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, so is it your first time to Bali?
Yeah.
Okay, so because I'm a YouTuber about food, so I suggest you to try another food, Indonesian food next time, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Say bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Hello, what's your name?
Hello, I'm Elise
You're from
from Netherlands.
Netherlands, Belanda.
Yeah.
You know Belanda?
No.
No. Indonesian people call people from Netherlands is Belanda.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Belanda, maybe from Blonde.
Could be.
Yeah. What's your name?
And me, it's Amael from France.
From France. Comment allez-vous?
Très bien, et toi?
Okay, and also
Hello, my name is Meis. I'm from Germany.
from Germany, we get this Enak.
Very good, very good.
Hi, so David, by the way.
David, nice to meet you,
Yeah,
David.
nice to meet you too. So this special dish is called Soto Lamongan. Can you say that?
Soto Lamongan.
Yes.
Good.
Soto Lamongan.
Yes. Soto Lamongan.
Soto Lamongan.
Yes. It means chicken soup from Lamongan city in East Java.
Okay, East Java.
East Java. Have you heard about East Java?
I've never been there.
Okay.
I know where it is, but I've never been there.
How long you been staying in Bali?
We've been to Bali, Gili, and
How long you
Lombok.
been
3 weeks.
3 weeks?
3 weeks.
And me, 4 days maybe,
4
5.
days. Oh, just come in. And you?
I've been here like about 2.5 weeks.
Oh, okay. So where have you been in Bali?
I've been to Lombok, Gili, really nice place. Go to Gili, guys. It's a really cool there. And I've been in Ubud,
yeah.
Lavina Beach. Yeah, and here itself, the Kuta, Denpasar.
Yeah, okay. Many places in Bali. Mount Batu. Oh,
Mount
yeah.
Batu is really nice.
hiking
So,
to
yeah,
Mount Batu.
sunrise hike.
Wonderful, yeah? Okay, by the way, I'm a YouTuber about promoting Indonesian tourism. Bali is not just one destination only. You can go to Java, another island in Indonesia, okay? So we have Soto Ayam, Soto Lamongan. Let's try and give me your honest review, yeah?
Okay.
Honest review, yeah? Let's try. Yeah. Maybe you can mix it before, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm actually pretty hungry.
You ate the whole thing.
Okay. And then please tell me, is this something familiar with you? Remind you with something?
Yeah, it's like a soup.
Yeah.
Where I'm from, we do soup and stuff like that as well sometimes.
I like it.
You like
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, it's nice with the rice in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It tastes a little bit like soup from the Netherlands, like chicken soup from home.
Oh,
It tastes
yeah.
a bit similar,
Okay.
but we don't put rice.
Yeah. In Indonesia, everything with rice. No rice, no full.
Makes sense.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, same for me. It reminds me of my grandmother's soup. That's rice. Yeah, just the rice of difference.
Okay, this is one of popular dish in Indonesia. I don't know, maybe Indonesian people live in East Java 2 or 3 times in a week. Eat like this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's very famous.
And you?
It's great. It's actually pretty good. I like it. It's just very.
It reminds me a bit of like a slightly curry soup.
Curry.
Curry, yeah.
Curry, yeah, curry.
Fine soup.
Yeah. It's still hot, right? because it's delicious when it's hot.
It is. I like it.
Okay.
It's nice.
Can you describe?
I can see the rice, I can see egg,
Yeah.
chicken, cabbage, I think.
Do you think it's something strange for you or?
Nah,
Not
it
really.
looks Balinese. It tastes Balinese.
So you will order someday.
If I'm craving soup
Yes.
and I'm in a restaurant,
Yeah.
I would take it.
Okay. Do you remember the name? Soto Lamongan.
Soto Lamongan.
Yes.
What is the translation of the?
Soto. Soto is kind of chicken soup, and then Lamongan is the name of the city in East Java.
Oh, okay.
So popular here. Soto Lamongan. Yeah, something popular.
So rating from like, what do you say, like 0 to 10?
Yeah, 0 to 10.
I'd give it like a solid 8.
Solid 8.
Solid 8.
Oh.
Nice.
Okay, thank you. Remember the name, Soto Lamongan, yeah?
Soto Lamongan. that would be
Okay. So, what do you think?
That's pretty good.
Yes.
Just there's a little bit of a taste of, you know, the krupuk, the chips.
Yeah,
Is it in there, or like
Yeah,
the taste of it? It's a bit in the salt.
Do you remember when I put something like a powder?
Yeah.
It's from the prawn crackers and then garlic together, and then we put
Yeah,
it.
you can taste that when you,
Yes.
especially on the bottom. It's a bit more
Yeah.
in the soup itself.
Your rating?
I would probably give it a 7. It's pretty tasty.
Okay.
But yeah, it's nice.
Thank
yeah,
you.
I like it. Yeah, with a bit of vegetables in there, so
Yeah.
it's a bit filling.
And what do you think?
Yeah, I like it. It's good by taste, and I think it's healthy. It's full of vegetable and
Yes.
everything.
It's healthy, right?
Yeah, yeah. And yeah, I would give it a 8.
8. Oh, thank you very much. I think match with the weather right now, yeah?
Yeah.
Chicken soup make you warm and all the situation now getting
Exactly, it's a bit cold.
Yes. Okay, by the way, thank you very much for trying Indonesian food. By the way,
thank you for the food.
yes, while you're in Indonesia, do you have Indonesian favorite food?
Nasi goreng. Without a question, it's nasi goreng.
Yes, you got it. Okay, thank you, bro. Thank you.
you,
And
Reinhard.
yes, your Indonesian favorite food?
Oh, we ate a lot of nasi goreng. It was
Nasi
really
goreng.
good. Also, meat is really good.
I don't know yet. I didn't try everything.
Okay, so this is your first time try Indonesian dish?
No, it's not the first time.
But you forget the name.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a nice day in Bali. Thank you. Bye-bye. I have many friends here and they are hot guy. And let's know about them, yeah? Hello, what's your name, bro?
Cedric.
Cedric,
Yes.
you from?
Canada.
Canada, okay,
Yeah.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So you speak French, yeah?
I speak French, yeah.
Okay, and you? Hello, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Etienne.
Chen, and
Etienne,
you from?
yeah, I'm from France.
Etienne, France.
Yeah.
Okay, comment allez-vous?
Ça va très bien, toi?
Oh yeah, no little. Hello, what's your name?
I'm Patrick from Austria.
From Austria.
Yes.
So speak Deutsch.
Yes, Deutsch,
Yeah.
German.
We get as dir.
Gut und dir?
Hello, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Richard.
And you from?
From France.
From France.
Hello, my name is Armand. I'm from Paris.
From Paris.
Not
And
from
hello.
Paris.
My name is Luca.
Luca from?
From France.
From
too.
France.
Yes.
Oh, many people from France. Okay, have you seen something like this before?
No.
No.
La sauce piquante.
Should I start?
Yes.
It's good. Very good. Yeah.
It's good.
You like it? Not that much. It's a little spicy. Ah wait,
It's fucking good.
it's really good.
You like it?
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh, thank you.
It's amazing. What is this sauce? It's chili? I don't like
Spicy?
spicy now.
Spicy?
Oh, it's pretty good. So chicken and just the egg.
Try again.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, thank you for tonight. Very, very good. Very good.
The French people never lie. If you say, if you think good, you say good, yeah? It's very good.
Vas-y, je veux que tu filmes, Alex.
Wait a minute. Like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Give honest review. Honest review.
Good. It's good, huh?
Can you give me a rate from 1 to 10?
For the soup?
Yes.
For the soup? What is 10?
10 is perfect. Okay. 1 to 10. Yes.
I say 7.5. 8.
7.5. 8. Okay, 8. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
strong 8.
8.
Strong 8, easy.
Okay, good.
Okay, I eat the same yesterday, and I can say that this Soto is a 7.
7.
7 from me.
Okay.
Me, it's 8. It's 8. Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you. How about you?
Me too. 8.
8.
8. Double 8.
How about you, bro?
Good.
Not. You're rating from 1 to 10.
8.
8. Okay.
We don't taste, but it was. I trust them, and I think it's really good. 10.
10.
I give it a solid 7.
Solid 7. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, so enjoy your dinner. Thank you very much for trying.
Thank you.
Thank you and bye-bye. Hello, bro. What's your name?
Taj.
And you
Taj.
from?
Australia.
Australia. Nice
Yeah,
to meet you.
you too.
And hello, what's your name?
Mia.
Mia, also from Australia.
Yeah.
Okay, how long you been in Bali?
A day.
A day.
Yeah.
Have you seen something like this before?
No, not really.
No?
No.
No? We call this Soto Lamongan. Can you say that?
Yeah.
Soto Lamongan.
Lamongan.
Yeah. Do you want to try?
I don't eat meat.
Don't eat meat. You're vegan?
Vegetarian.
Vegetarian. Okay.
Yeah, very good.
Good?
Very tasty.
Yeah. Something new for you or
Yeah.
new? What is the difference with the regular chicken soup?
This has just got a lot more flavour.
More flavor.
More textures in it
More
as well.
texture.
Yeah, I haven't had a soup like this before. No, it's great. Where was this from?
It's from East Java. Have you heard about Java?
Yeah.
The next Bali island, next Bali. Yeah. This is from East Java.
Okay.
Okay, so while you're here in Bali, you're vegetarian. What is your favorite Indonesian food?
Just the rice. I like the fried rice.
Fried rice.
And the corn.
And the
And corn. Yeah, we love corn.
Can you give me a rate from 1 to 10? Please be honest.
Yeah, no, it was actually very good. I give it an 8.
8, okay.
Yeah.
8 for the Soto.
Yeah.
Okay, so will you eat again?
Yes.
If you
Definitely.
Yeah, if you see in the restaurant.
If I was to say it.
Once again, what's the name?
Soto.
Soto. Yeah. Soto Lamongan.
Yeah.
Lamongan is the name of the city.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much for
Awesome.
trying.
Thank you.
Yeah. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your
Thank
holiday.
you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Itu dia tadi jalan-jalan kita sore hari ini sampai malam. Udah ketemu sama banyak orang asing yang udah kita tawarin Soto Lamongan. Tadi masnya juga udah coba ya?
Ya.
Mas namanya siapa mas?
Didi.
Mas Didi. Dari
Ya.
mana asalnya?
Lombok.
Dari Lombok. Jualan jagung di sini. Jadi kalau misalnya ke Pantai Batu Bolong, jangan lupa untuk beli jagungnya Pak Didi, Mas Didi ya?
Ya.
Oke, Mas Didi tadi udah nyobain soto ayam ini mas. Gimana, enak nggak?
Enak lah, orang
Enak ya?
favoritnya.
Favorit
Iya.
ya? Tadi udah makan berapa kasih nilai?
Ya 10 lah.
10 katanya, lihat tangannya dong, mantap. Oke teman-teman, selalu kita promosikan makanan Indonesia supaya seluruh dunia tahu cita rasa, kelezatan makanan masakan Indonesia. Sampai ketemu lagi di next episode dari David Kia Kibi. Kita yakin kita bisa. Bye bye. Bye. Thank you.